Hey folks, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, and in this video, I want to give you 4 to 5 ways to make passive income online without any skills or any money. Is that cool? So here we go. First site is this, Upwork. Write it down. Upwork is basically this. This website gives you the opportunity to sign up and do things for people. Let me give you an example. Say if you're a web developer, people will pay you around the planet. I use this site. I hire tons of people every single day from this site that you work from home and I pay you through the computer. Does that make sense? Say if you are a writer, if you're a good writer, say if you're an admin support person, right? A customer service support, marketing, accounting. So I want you to think about right now, what do you do well that you can post a job online and it's free to do? You sign up for free and people will pay you around the world to work basically from your couch on this website. So write it down. Another site is guru.com. This is my favorite. Like I hire people from here at least once per month, okay? So if you ever want to work for me, go to guru.com because if I see your job description, it's a possibility I may hire you, okay? Guru basically is this. It's the same thing as Upwork. You create a profile for free, whatever skill that you have, okay? It can be something simple. It could be an admin skill, right? It can be a design skill. It doesn't matter, but you can post this right now today. Post a job and people, I'm sorry, not post a job, but put your expertise on here and then you have people that are looking to hire you today, okay? So write that down. Another site is clickbank.com. You know, now one thing about ClickBank, listen close here. This was the first website, the first platform that I jumped on to make my first million, okay? I made my first million with these guys. So if you're a beginner, I do recommend ClickBank because ClickBank is a great company. It's an affiliate marketplace. And you can promote products and you can make passive income like every single day. You do have to learn how to do it, right? But it can be done. It's a lot of affiliate marketing platforms, but I want to recommend the ones that I've used myself. Before I was broke, these guys, they brought me to the land of paradise. As you can see here, like, let me show you something. As you can see, oh, really? So, oh my God, look. ClickBank brought me here. I'm in Miami here. I'm in my condo. I'm on a 46th floor. I'm rich because of these guys. Thank you, ClickBank. So I want you guys to check them out, all right? Because it's the way to make fast money quickly, but you do have to go through the process to learn, okay? Next is Digistore. Digistore is a new platform that's sort of like ClickBank, but I like Digistore better. Let me tell you why. They pay you more money and they pay you on time and they pay you more frequently, okay? Listen, you can make tons of passive income. Let me show you one of my accounts. Let me log in. How about that? Let me log into one of my accounts right now. Let me show you what I'm making right now passively, okay? Look, today, 1,700, 626. Yesterday was almost 3,000, almost 3,000. So this comes in every day. This is passive income. Now, of course, you have to learn how to do it, but it's not that difficult as long as you're committed to the process. That makes sense? So write that down, Digistore. And I do recommend Digistore because, let me tell you why as well. It's because I'm on this platform. If you go to the marketplace right here, you'll see my offer is right here, Overnight Millionaire, and we're #1. All that means this, I teach you how to do this if you want to do this. But listen, I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, this is hard. It is not hard, okay? Find yourself a room like this, shut the door, lock in, like I did years ago, and master this. You can make a lot of money, okay? Last website is Flippa. This is kind of new, and I'm getting ready to basically get involved here. You can actually sell or buy businesses that are already profitable. So some of you, I get emails every day. Say, Wesley, I have $10,000. I have $20,000. What can I buy right now to make money instantly? Flippa, okay? I'm telling you. I'm getting ready to buy 10 different companies from here. Let me give you an example here. Let me scroll on something here. So let's go to featured here. And it shows you how much money these companies are making per month. Look, this company is $155,000, but it's negotiable, by the way. But they're making $21,000 profit per month, right? This one is $35,000, but they're making $10,000 per month. Of course, you need to do your research, but I'm like, this week, I'm gonna buy 10 of these, and that's income coming in passively for me. Does that make sense? That means even if you don't know how to run an online business and understand it while you're learning, you can buy one of these existing companies that are already working. Flipperistheshit.com. Hey, guess what? I'm done. That's it. Those websites, okay, would allow you right now, where you are right now, to start making money online, okay? Those 5 ways. And let me tell you something, it's a beautiful thing to be able to make passive income. And before I let you know, if you don't mind, give me a subscribe, and always hit the like button if this made sense to you, right? This is for free, and I'm doing it for you because I love you. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. And I know what you're thinking, Wesley, are you a billionaire? Yes, in my mind. Hey, but honestly, folks, those websites will allow you to make passive income without spending any money in the beginning, okay? It's a huge myth out there to say that, well, Wesley, doesn't it take money to make money? No. Okay, it takes work ethic, it takes perseverance, you gotta be patient, and you gotta be persistent. Does that make sense? Then you'll be able to make money in your drawers, okay? These are not my boxers here, but I make money in my boxers every day, okay? So, hey, if you enjoyed this video, if I gave you some good content, thank you for the like. Thank you for the subscribe. And guess what? I'm gonna do more of these videos, right? I'm gonna show you just easy, simple ways to bring in income so you can live the dream like me. Remember, before I let you go, in life, you don't get what you want, you get what you picture.